Alright, so it seems like many of you guys had trouble with this particular homework assignment, so I figured I would just go through at least part of it in a video. So I have some things here already, but I'm actually going to change what's on here because I tried recording before and I messed up. So we're going to try again. Alright, so we need a tropical rainforest in South America and in Africa. So we're going to go first to South America. So here's North America, because that's where the United States is. And then here is South America. So I'm going to drop a pin. And I dropped a pin in Enori, Brazil. So I'm going to do this. Copy and paste that right here. And then I can get the species of reptiles, amphibians, and mammals down here. 29, 98, and 185, respectively. Alright, now we need to drop a pin in Africa. So we're going to press the compare tab. And we're going to drop a pin right there. And I got someplace in the Democratic Republic of Congo, Bakilla. So I'm going to just copy and paste that information onto here, including the latitude and longitude. And then I'm going to really quickly get the animal information. So it's 16 reptiles, 28 amphibians, and 119 mammals. 28 amphibians and 119 mammals. So as you can see, you can already see some differences between these two different rainforests as far as abundance of animals goes. Well, let's look for some similarities. So similarities would include that they both have nearly 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness year round, and more than 200 centimeters of rainfall per year. So that would be one thing. And yeah, I'll allow you to just take that and put it on here. Alright, and then another thing is that it has a lot of different tree species. So we know there's a lot of growth going on in the rainforests. And if you remember our ecology, you'll remember that rainforests have the most primary production, actually. Another thing that's similar is the temperature stays at between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius year-round. So that would be another thing we can write down. And I'm doing really great at typing, as you can tell. So then we have to click the wildlife tab of each of these. And we can filter by threat levels and provide 3 examples for each category. So we're going to go back to the Biome Viewer, Wildlife, and we can put the threat level filter. We're going to look first for endangered or vulnerable species on each. Oh, I see. So that's how you filter it. So these are all on right now. So if you need, you would uncheck them, basically, is what's going on here. So 1 would be the blackface black spider monkey. Then another could be the giant anteater and the giant armadillo. Okay. And then to get the least concerned species, obviously when you put the filter, you take these out and you put least concern and you get a bunch of stuff there. Then to click on the climate tab, what information can be learned from the climatogram shown? Well, I already kind of showed it to you. But so the dots represent temperature year-round, and then the bars represent precipitation. And you want to look on the left here for the precipitation levels, and you want to look on the right for temperature. So, as you can see, the rainfall in general, the lowest it'll go is probably about like 75 millimeters of rainfall. But then the highest it'll go is like upwards of 300 over here. And then over here, it's like just about 200-ish. So there is difference in rainfall, and they obviously have wet and dry seasons that are varied from each other. But the temperature stays the same like the whole year, or almost the same. So that would be how you go through this in general. And then in order to do the definitions part, this should be pretty easy. I'm going to click out of here. You just click, and it gives you a definition. So hopefully that helped. And if you have any more questions, let me know. You can use what I did up here as some of your information if you would like. But then I expect you to go through the rest of these. So that's it.